So the BRZ was away for 5 days, getting a ceramic coat done, getting a 5-year graphene treatment. As you can see, it came out pretty good. Sean was highly recommended in the local Subaru group. I'd seen some of his work before, so when I decided I wanted to do this, I knew I wanted to have him do it, so I was pretty happy with the way it came out. I'll make sure to put Sean's information in the description in case any of you are in the Charlotte area and you need a good detailer. Go ahead and look him up. So I didn't get to film as much as I wanted to on the exhaust install, or in this case, the removal of the stock exhaust. I was in a hurry to get to the club meet that night, so I didn't really have time to film. I just wanted to get this over with before it got too late. Do it again. Alright, now we got a real exhaust. We're going to pull this off. Get that speaker turned off. Alright, there it is. Oh yeah, that was super simple. There's a lot of room here. You can just, if you ever feel the need, you can just plug it right back in. Wiggle it, see if it rattles on anything. No, it's not really rattling. If it rattles, I'll just go in and tape it down. Easy peasy. Oh yeah, so it's the next day. Yesterday I was in a hurry to get the install done so I could hurry up and get to the Subaru Club meet. Unfortunately, it was too dark to do any filming there. Hopefully, when we get some more meets coming in the next year, then I'll be able to do some more filming because there were some pretty cool cars there. Also, didn't really get any filming done of the exhaust, so we're going to get that done today. Now we've got a little bit of daylight. Hopefully the rain holds off, but it's been raining most of the day, so I'll do it anyway because it's going to start freezing here this week. Better to get the recording done now than later. So now we got a cold start. Sound in here. That's getting a little loud, huh? That goes back down to normal. So pretty quiet once it's back up to temp. Yeah, I'm not sure what happened here. The phone just decided to stop recording, but it missed a funny interaction because soon after this clip here, a cop rolled up on the scene, and I thought he had come there to shoo me away, but apparently he was there just to write reports because it was a quiet spot that he could do that in, so he didn't care what I was doing, but I thought it was funny. You know, it was funny because he drove right up on the camera. Alright, well, despite the rain and the freaking air traffic, I think we got some good clips in there. We'll see how it sounds on the computer. Now we'll get some in-car sound. So I have the mic sort of in the between the passenger and the driver's side, so it should be a relative. Try this again. The mic set up between two seats, roughly head height, so hopefully it gives a good representation of how it sounds when you're driving around. Hopefully the tripod stays where it is. Try and drive easy. What a beautiful day. Alright, let's try this again. I don't know if you're going to be able to see much.